You already know that self-love is the key to confidence, success, and happiness. But today, we're taking it to the next level. If you've ever felt like you're holding back, playing small, or struggling to fully embrace your worth, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wani. If you're new here, hey, welcome. So today's video is a part 2. It's a continuation, okay, of the first video I made, how to be obsessed with yourself in the healthiest, most empowering way possible. But before we get started, I want to thank you all for all of the love and support from the first video, part 1, how to be obsessed with yourself. If you haven't seen it already, make sure you check it out. I'm going to link it up here. So watch part 1 of that video. After you watch this video, make sure you watch this one first and then go back and watch part 1. But thank you guys so much for all of the support. I really appreciate it. So if you would like to hear part 2 of this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's hop into it. The first step is to reframe how you see yourself. The way you see yourself shapes everything. If you wouldn't let someone disrespect your family members, your friend, your best friend, or anybody around you, why would you let your thoughts disrespect you like that? From today on, I want you to treat yourself like the main character, like it's giving main character energy, because you are. So no more negative self-talk. Instead, positive affirmations every single day. I need you, when you wake up in the morning, look in the mirror and tell yourself, I'm that girl, because you are that girl, and don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Who said you wasn't that girl? You are that girl. Tell yourself you're worthy, you're powerful, and magnetic. Say it until you believe it. The next step is to create a signature energy. Obsessed women don't just exist, they radiate a unique energy. How do you want people to feel when they see you? Start dressing, speaking, and moving like your highest self. This isn't about impressing others. It's about stepping into your full potential. Find your signature confidence booster, and that can be a bold lipstick, a powerful outfit, or just the way you carry yourself in general. You need to own it. Step 3 is to set unapologetic standards. I don't know why that word makes me laugh every time. Unapologetic. Confident women don't settle, period. When you're truly obsessed with yourself, girl, you don't chase, you attract. They set high standards in friendship, relationship, and even how you treat yourself. So I need you to make a list of things you will no longer tolerate, from toxic energy to self-sabotaging habits, and stick to that list. The next thing is to master the art of self-indulgence. Listen, you deserve to enjoy your own presence. If you don't enjoy your own presence, who's going to enjoy your presence for you? Make your life feel like a luxury. Whether that's romanticizing your morning coffee, upgrading your skincare routine, or taking yourself on solo dates. The more you enjoy you, the less you'll need validations from others. Dress up, take yourself out, and enjoy your own company. The last thing is to protect your energy and your mindset. Being obsessed with yourself also means guarding your energy. Pay attention to what you consume, whether it's social media, the people around you, or even your own thoughts. If it doesn't uplift or empower you, girl, it gotta go. I'm sorry, but it gotta go. Unfollow, mute, or remove any and everything that makes you feel less than amazing. Instead, fill your mind with empowering content, books, and affirmation. It's time to fully step into your power and treat yourself like the queen that you are. Let me know in the comments, what's one thing you're going to start doing today to show yourself more love? And again, if you haven't seen part 1, make sure you check it out right after this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with a friend who needs this energy. Until next time, stay obsessed with you. Mwah.